Hello friends, in continuation with the hospitality videos and our emphasis on the front office module, today we move on to the next topic of front office accounting that is called as folios. A folio is a written record of a guest account and is created at the time of starting a book of account in the name of the guest. We record all the transactions in this folio of the guest, and this is the monetary transactions between the hotel and the guest. So at the time of opening the folio, the balance is maintained as zero, and as the entries go in, we put them into the columns of credit and debit. So at any given point of time, we can know from the guest folio what are the various credit and debit balances of his account. Now we look at the types of folios. So there are different types of folios in the hotel, namely guest folio, master folio, incidentals folio, also called as split folio, non-guest folio or city folio, or it is also called as semi-permanent folio. And the fifth category is employee folio. Now let us go into the detailing of these folios. First one is the guest folio. This is maintained for the account assigned to an individual person or guest room. So it is one guest, he may be taking one room or two rooms in the same name. We create a single folio called as the guest folio. The second category, called as master folio, is the account assigned to more than one person or guest room, usually reserved for group accounts. So the groups could be of the student groups or the foreigners or the domestic travelers who come in a group size of 10 to 15 members or more than 15 also. It is considered as a group. So we create a single master folio in such a case. The third category is the non-guest or the semi-permanent folio. So this is being maintained for non-guest businesses or agencies which charge privileges at the hotel. Example is BTC. As we already know, BTC stands for Bill to Company. So in our CVGR list, we have various companies which already have an agreement of the volume business, wherein the staff does not settle the bill at the time of checkout, but it is being sent to the company and it is being recovered later on. That is the reason we call it as a city folio, wherein the recovery can happen in the following days, not at the time of checkout. The next category is employee folio. So accounts assigned to employees with charge privileges. Many of the top-notch star hotels give preferences to their employees in the way that they can have a day off and stay at any of the properties, or they can also avail discounts purchases at the pastry shop, at the coffee shop. So these charges go into the employee folio, wherein the recovery can happen at a later date from their salaries. The next category is split folio. Well, in fact, split folio is an offshoot of the master folio, or also an offshoot of the non-guest folio. Here what happens is when a business guest settles his incidents at the time of checkout and the room charges are billed to the company. So as you know, when we initiated the folio, we started with the room rate entry into it. So in most cases, the room charges are being billed to the company, but whereas when the guest is incurring charges like the F&B charges, telephone charges, etc., they go into the incidental folio, or also called as B folio, which the guest settles at the time of checkout. And the room rent which is there, which goes off to the company, which is recovered at the later stage. See, here is a sample guest folio wherein you can see the entries of the room rent, the dinner charges, the telephone charges. And as you know, we have already learnt about vouchers which are being raised through the telephone voucher or the miscellaneous voucher or the spa voucher, etc. And on the final side here, you can see the total billed amount of the guest. Now this is a bill to company guest which would be recovered later on. So to sum it up, we came to know in today's session about 5 different types of folios which a hotel front office is using it. Now in today's automation, this is all being done on the computers, and any number of folios with the unique serial number of the folio can be retrieved at any later date as and when we want it. Thank you. We will continue with the next topics in the coming up next hospitality videos. Stay safe. Please do like the video by clicking on the like button. Good day.